Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by prepping the fabric and marking the dart precisely. Pin pattern, press fabric smooth, and use your chalk to draw both dart legs and the apex. Once done, flip to the wrong side and reinforce the lines with small tailor's tacks so the markings won't shift. Make sure to note the dart length and intake in centimeters. These measurements control shape. You're ready to fold toward the apex and pin along the marked legs for the first stitch. You now fold the fabric right sides together so the dart legs match exactly, forming a neat wedge. Pin perpendicular to the seam to prevent shifting, then stitch from the widest edge toward the apex, reducing pressure as you approach the point. Once done, avoid a sharp backstitch at the apex. Instead, leave a long thread tail and tie off or bury the threads for a smooth taper. Make sure to press the dart toward the garment center or designated direction for correct shaping. You finish by trimming or grading seam allowances to reduce bulk, especially on multiple stacked darts, and press the dart flat using a tailor's ham for curves. Once pressed, check the garment on a dress form or yourself to confirm fit and balance. If you see puckering or a point that doesn't lie flat, rebase the dart by hand, verify machine tension and needle choice, and shorten stitch length slightly. Those adjustments usually solve common issues and give a clean, professional finish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.